Ngayong tagulan, siguradong nagkalat na naman ang naiimbak na tubig sa iba't ibang lugar na pwedeng pamugaran ng mga kitikiti o larvae na siyang nagiging lamok at nagdudulot ng sakit na dengue.
Ang dengue kasing sakit, it is a fatal disease, meaning ito ay sakit na nakakamatay. Bata't matanda, mayaman at mahirap, pwedeng magkasakit at mamatay sa sakit na dengue kapag ito ay napabayaan. So tumataas ang cases natin ng dengue kapag dumarating ang tag-ulan. Kasi nga itong mga lamok na Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus, ito yung dalawang lamok na nagtatransmit ng dengue dito sa Pilipinas. At ang mga lamok na ito ay nangingitlog o nagpaparami sa tinatawag nating clean, stagnant water.
Totoong nakakaalarma ang patuloy na pagtaas ng dengue cases sa buong mundo. Kaya naman in partnership with Intogenics, binuo ng YTN Foundation dito sa Pilipinas ang REAP program to decrease if not eradicate dengue incidences in the country.
We just recently launched the REAP program. We really need to implement all these important aspects like the R, which stands for the reduction of source. We really need to kill the larvae because larvae is the cause of this mosquitoes. A stands for education because we really need to educate the people about what is the mosquitoes, what is the life cycle of the mosquitoes, what will you acquire once you are being bitten by the mosquitoes. Activation. How can you implement the program wherein there is no people? We need infrastructure. So these are the people we are involving here in the community for them to implement. And of course, protection means prevention from the mosquito bites. Of course, every day, we really have to put a protection in terms of the repellents from mosquitoes and other insects. Napakaganda ng acceptance ng butihing governor ng Isabela, which is Governor D. From there, we will be able to continuously implementing this REAP program because, as a matter of fact, June 15 has been declared by the province of Isabela as the Dengue Awareness Day for Isabela. At marami pa, marami pang mga local government units that we are targeting right now from North Luzon to South Luzon to Metro Manila. And specifically right now, we are actually targeting Zamboanga because Zamboanga right now is under the state of calamity for dengue.
To be able to achieve the goals of REAP program, ipinakilala ang produktong Mousticide dito sa Pilipinas upang solusyonan ang dengue sa ating bansa.
Since bago lang namin na-launch yung produkto, ang pinaka-importante ngayon sa aming organisasyon is to implement the awareness of the product. Because hindi naman kaagad-agad natin makikita ang resulta ng produkto kung hindi naman natin muna gagamitin.
Ang paggamit ng Mousticide ay isa lamang paraan para tuluyang bumaba ang dengue incidents lalo na ngayong tagulan. It serves as a means of prevention rather than a cure to dengue.
Siguro efforts to eradicate dengue should always be multifactorial. It should be a tie-up between the private sector and the government. The government sector would be the one to provide manpower and logistics, while the private sector, such as Intogenics, would be the one to provide Mousticide.
Mahirap magkasakit, kaya naman ngayong panahon ng dengue, iba yung pag-iingat ang kailangan.
We should start cleaning up our surroundings sa mga bahay. Diyan po nang gagaling dahil po minsan hindi lang tayo nakakapaglinis, nagkakaroon tayo ng sakit katulad ng dengue. To Generation RX, more power to you. And narito palagi si Cesar Montano para sumuporta sa inyo. Love you guys.
Practicing the REAP is the key to dengue prevention.
This portion is brought to you by Biogenic Isopropyl Alcohol. Klarong-klaro pamatay mikrobyo.
Mahirap magtrabaho kung tayo ay napapaligiran ng mikrobyo. Nariyan ang kabi-kabilang sakit at viruses na maaari nating makuha. Pero sa tulong ng mga produktong kagaya ng alcohol, it will help us to stay away from getting sick.
Well, nakita ko sa mga empleyado na gumagamit sila ng biogenic alcohol, which I prefer using that one because it is very convenient, and I prefer using biogenic alcohol because of its benefits. First benefit, it would be very moisturizing to your skin, and also it is very convenient because of the new technology, the spray thing.
With this biogenic 70% isopropyl alcohol, our workplace will be safe from any germs that can lead to a possible disease that can easily spread out in our office.
To all those hardworking employees out there, well, I recommend you using biogenic alcohol because of its benefit. As I've said before, it is very moisturizing, very convenient, very well everything as compared to the past alcohol. And with its low cost, it is very affordable. Lastly, it is very hygienic, so I recommend you using it in your everyday life to avoid sickness because, as we all know, health is very important in our everyday lives.
Dahil dito sa biogenic isopropyl alcohol, klarong-klaro pamatay mikrobyo.
This portion was brought to you by Biogenic Isopropyl Alcohol. Klarong-klaro, pamatay mikrobyo.